Hello students, welcome to the video part 2 of lesson number 8. Let's dress up. Children, in this video I will explain you the exercise of this lesson. So let's start. Question 1 is answer the following questions. So children, we have to give answers of all these questions. The first question is, what do we wear to protect our body from heat, cold, rain and insects? The answer is, we wear clothes to protect our body from heat, cold, rain and insects. Next question is, when do we wear woolen clothes? The answer is, we wear woolen clothes in winter. Next, what do children wear to school? The answer is, children wear uniform to school. Next question is, why do we wear cotton clothes? The answer is, we wear cotton clothes to keep our body cool. Now, the next question is, write T for true and F for false. Children, some sentences are given here. If the sentence is correct, you have to write T, means true, and if the sentence is wrong, you have to write F, means false. So first sentence is, clothes cover our body and protect it from heat, cold, rain, dust, germs and insects. It is true or false? It is true. So write here T. Now next point is, we wear light cotton clothes when it is cold. No, it is false, because we wear light and cotton clothes in hot season, in summer season. Now next, point 3 is, we wear thick woolen clothes when it is hot. No, it's again false. We wear thick woolen clothes when it is cold. Okay, so it is false. Now fourth point is, raincoats and umbrellas protect us from getting wet in the rain. It is true. Yes, raincoat and umbrellas protect us from rain and protect us from getting wet in the rain. Now point 5th is, we get wool from sheep. So it is true. Yes, we get wool from sheep and other animals like camel, yak. Okay. Now the next question is, match the following. Okay. In this you have to match column A to column B. Okay. So first point is, cotton clothes. Cotton clothes keeps our body cool. So match it with point C. Point 2, camel and yak. Camel and yak give us wool. So match it point D. Point 3 is, special clothes. Special clothes means uniform. So match it with point E. Point 4, umbrella and raincoat. Umbrella and raincoat we use in rainy season. So match it with point B. Now point 5, special shoes. Special shoes are gumboots. So match it with point A. Is it clear? Now next question is, read the clues, rearrange the letters to get the answer. Okay, it is gumboots. So you have to write G U M B O T S, gumboots. Okay. Now point 2, gives us wool for woolen clothes? Who gives us wool for woolen clothes? That is camel. So write here C-A-M-E-L, camel. Next, special clothes children wear to school. That is uniform. So write here U-N-I-F-O-R-M, uniform. Now next point is point 4. Clothes protect us from these. What is these? Dust and germs. So write here D-U-S-T, dust, and G-E-R-M-S, germs. Point 5 is carry it to keep dry in the rain. What we use when we go outside in rain? We use umbrella. So it is umbrella. Write here U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A, umbrella. Is it clear? Now next question is icebreaker. This question is match the pictures of the traditional clothes with the states they are associated with. Children, you have to match the pictures and match the traditional cloth pictures with their states. Okay. So first picture is, this is Bengal's traditional cloth. So write here 0.5 because Bengal is given in 0.5. Now next point B is Punjab's traditional cloth. So write here 0.4 because Punjab is on 0.4. Next point C. Point C is Kashmir's traditional cloth. So Kashmir is on 0.1. So write here 0.1. Now next point D. This is Gujarat's traditional cloth and Gujarat is on 0.2. So write here 0.2. Next is Rajasthan's traditional cloth. So write here 0.3. Like this you have to do in your book. Now next question is choose the name from the help box and write in the blank spaces. Children, there are some words and you have to see the pictures and write their names. First picture is cap, next picture is jacket, next is shirt, next is shoes, and the last is socks. Okay. Now question C is look at the pictures, write whether they are cotton and woolen clothes. Children, you have to see, you have to look the pictures and write it is cotton and it is woolen. So first picture is cotton and next picture is woolen, next picture is cotton and next woolen. Okay, like this you have to do in your book. Now note down your homework. Your homework is read this lesson carefully. Next, learn all difficult words nicely with spellings. Next, complete page number 48, 49 and 50 in your book. So all of you stay safe, keep learning.